document checking. Good evening, Duga. How was the exam today, beta? You did well. Expectation 70 low, 70 high. Just say that. I brought some very important question. Today you have to solve. Understood? First question is 0 to 3 by 2. 4x minus 5 dx. And your time starts now. This is first integration question. Today for a set, 2 set questions. This is first integration question and this is second integration question is all typical integration questions. For this year, these questions are very important. Please listen me and write it somewhere very important question. This is second question. Third question is 0 to, this is exactly coming as minus 1 to 2 e to the power modulus x dx. And your time starts now. Kartika, you people, this particular type questions, trust me, I got one set question where modulus is very important and you need to do this. Understood? Kartika, everyone focus and solve these questions. Modulus related one question, board paper, very crucial. Tanish, yes, keep this. We will be making a playlist of important questions. First important in integration is modulus. Focus. Modulus of algebra, modulus of trigonometry, and modulus of exponent. 3 crucial parts. Feed in your brain. Modulus, algebra, trigonometry, and exponential. How to solve? Now I am starting solving this question. Keep in a record how to go for it. Writing. First one I am solving. Come on, go for it. First part. And those who are solving, take a screenshot and send in the group that you have solved. Mistake or something is another part. So first is when you are solving modulus related questions, how we are going to proceed. First, make it equal to 0. So it is coming as x is equal to 5 by 4. So one time this part will open with minus and x is less than 5 by 4. Next part it will open with plus when it is greater equals 5 by 4. This is the most important part. Now start solving it. So that means these are the two values and the terminating point is 5 by 4. So what we will do? This question will split as 0 to 5 by 4 lower part. Yesterday itself I taught. So we are going to do like this. One line we will put and it is coming x is equal to 5 by 4, x less than 5 by 4, f of x and x is starting from where? What is the lower limit? 0 to 5 by 4, it will become minus 4x minus 5. And then this 2, upper limit is 3 by 2. F of x is 4x minus 5. So whenever we are getting this type of questions, we are going to have presentation of these questions. Okay. So now, Loga, still now you did. Good evening, Kusmika. Focus. Very, very important. Top 15 questions, our target. First is modulus this year. Nicely integrated. Outside minus will not create any problem. 5 by 4 and 0 plus this is the first question, children. Solve it very carefully. Pushmika, test this one. Kartika, Divya, everybody. I'm informing you first to put 5 by 4 minus and take now. First 5 by 4 substitute 0 will make everything 0 plus till here beta. After that, only solving section. How you are solving, it totally depends upon how clarity you are getting. Understood? This will become true. What is the answer coming? Because the content will be Darunesh, good evening, Darunesh, Shivaranjani, good evening. We are solving the most important questions. Just go back and check one time how and all you are going to solve the questions. Check this one out and write it nicely. Check this one out, beta. What is the answer coming final? Minus into minus will become plus there. This part is plus. Hey, who is there? I'm in class. What happened? Loga? Huh? You asked who is there? Ah, so okay, fine. Here, Loga, I'm just going to check where and not. Where you are telling minus 3 I missed. Can you tell me? Minus 3. Minus 3 is not the correct answer there. Calculate nicely. Minus 3 is not the correct answer. Minus 3 is not the correct answer. Tell me. I got the answer. You check first. This minus and minus will make it 50 by 60. This part done. Now check the second part. 9 by 4 is there. This is coming as again minus because this part is again going to repeat here. Minus plus 50 minus 100 by 60. Okay, so this part will come 50 by 60 and then here check this one out. 9 minus 15 will come 5 by 2 will come here. Not it. 70 by 16 part will be there. Kishore, good evening, beta. Important questions we are doing. Check this one out, beta. Any important questions we started solving. For board exam modulus question I started, Kishore. Just check this one out. 9 minutes. This section 15. A calculation of this thinking. And because of that, I'm going out of this question. This is minus. So 100 minus 42 by 60. 52 by 60. Answer came 13 by 4. Answer came 13 by 4. This is exactly a modulus question. Okay, negative 3. That part is correct only for me. No, see, please check. Everything is alright. Modulus section is calculation part, little bit here and there once coming means problem will come. So knowledge means important, but see you can. This is one question. These are the three important questions we are going to solve. Modulus related questions means algebra questions. Now, how I am solving the first correct answer for this one is 13 by 4. Okay, I solved it. You need to solve what I did. Now I'm checking the roadmap and informing you. Please check this one out. Just one place in Haripuri and this one number. So first, this will split into two regions beta, one negative, one positive. And then I splitted the region. This is for negative value and this is for positive value. The region started with 0 to, this is 0 to 5 by 4, 0 to 5 by 4, positive region 5 by 4 to 3 by 2, 5 by 4 to 3 by 2. And after integration, we got the value and substituted the content. Solved, answer is coming 13 by 4. This is first question which is important. Understood? Second important question, and your time starts now. The second important question is this one. So 0 to 2 pi modulus of cos x. Start doing it and send me the answer. 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi modulus of cos x. 0 to 2 pi modulus of cos x. How to solve it perfectly? First understand. What is the graph of cos x? You need to understand from 0 to pi by 2 positive, pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 negative, 3 pi by 2 2 pi positive. So how many regions you are having, beta? You are having three regions. Understood? So what we will do, we will make the chart. Whenever you are solving this type of questions, clarity is needed. And this is one of the most expected questions. Here they will do some work. I will tell you some technical more things, but one by one. So here between 0 to pi by 2, f of x will give cos x as positive. Now pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, f of x will give cos negative. And 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, f of x will give cos positive. This is exactly the matter. Now after this, so how we are going to solve? 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx plus pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 minus cos x dx and then 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi cos x dx. That's it. Like this question coming means drawing and solving will make everything easy. Cos x will become sin x, pi by 2 to 0. Now here it will become minus sin x, 3 pi by 2 to pi by 2, and then sin x, 2 pi, 3 pi by 2. Beta, what we are going to write here? Can you say? We will write sin pi by 2 minus sin 0 minus sin 3 pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2 plus sin 2 pi minus sin 3 by 2. Anyone got the answer? Very good, Kishore. This is exactly the correct answer. Hello, Praveen sir. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he is not here. Class already started. Please solve this question. Yeah, I got the question. Wait, I'm going to solve. Yes. Answer is 4. Next question. Your next important question for modulus, because 3 sections questions are there. This is your question. Minus 1 to 2 e to the power modulus x. Try this question. Minus 1 to 2 e to the power modulus x. Come on, go for it, please. Everyone try this question. My fourth question is, this is a very important question for MCQ. This question you must not leave and solve. This question is 0 to 5, greatest integer of x dx. Now critical questions we will solve. Greatest integer of x dx. And then my fifth critical question is minus 2 to 1 f of x dx. If f of x is equal to 3 minus 5x, when x is less than 0, and 4 plus 3x when x is greater equal 0. This is exactly fourth and fifth question. You need to be very particular, solve and give me the answer. I think Loga solved. Loga, can I see your note? Will you send me the answer? Try. This one you will be able to solve. Again, one simple logic I am teaching you. Remember that you take exponent part, it is coming positive, negative, that can be, but first you define modulus of x, because modulus of x individually will be positive or negative. Got it? So first we will check for modulus of x. Modulus of x will be minus x when x is less than 0, x when x is greater equals 0. This is the most important thing. Minus x, x greater equals and less equals part. So that means the entire set between -1 to 0 and 0 to 2. So here f of x is equal to e to the power minus x. Because here x is less than 0, then you need to pick this one. Then here f of x is equal to e to the power x. This one, that means you need to pick this one. Very clear cut. Now solve. -1 to 0 e to the power minus x dx plus 0 to 2 e to the power x dx e to the power minus 0 to -1 plus e to the power x 2 to 0. So one time we put 0. What is the answer coming? Check this one out. E to the power, because your minus is there, minus into minus will become plus. This part will become minus 1 minus e plus e to the power 2 minus open minus 1 plus e square minus 1. This and this will get cancelled. So it will come, wait. Shit, minus 1 and then cancel. E square minus 1 minus 2. Ah, E square, yes, E square plus E minus 2, absolutely correct. Yeah, open bracket, what is it? That's it. This is exactly how we are going to solve the question. We'll go for next one. This is done. We'll go for next question. Next question is 0 to 5. This closed interval is exactly what? Greatest integer. So how to handle greatest integer question? See, greatest integer question is a discontinuous graph is there. You know that lower limit will be included, but upper limit value will not be included. So last time when I have explained you that time greatest integer of x. See, one small technique I am teaching you. This is greatest integer of x. Its limiting point is 0 to 5. Make a bridge. How you are making a bridge? This x will be exactly will become 0 when x value will start with 0 to 1. Now the value will become 1 when it will start with 1 to 2. It will become 2 when it will start with 2 to 3. It will become 3 when it will start with 3 to 4. It will become 4 when you will start with 4 to 5. It will become 5. Understood not? So like this. But 4 to 5 at least, because upper limit is 5. It will include or not? No. So these are the total part of greatest integer. Now we are going to start and we are going to write the region. Our first region is this one. We will write greatest integer 0 to 5. This part dx will be first 0 to 1 0 dx plus 1 to 2 1 dx plus 2 to 3 2 dx plus 3 to 4 3 dx plus 4 to 5 4 dx. Then this part 0 cancel everything on. This will become x 2 and 1. This will become This part will become x, 2 and 1, then it will become 2x, 3 and 2. And here it will become 3x, 4 and 2. And then here it will become 4x, 5 and 4. So right here, 2 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 3, 4 minus 3, 4, 5 minus 4. So this is coming as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 7 and this is one of a few short questions of positive integer. This is greatest integer x. So always remember beta many times now in MCQ greatest integer x questions they are putting like this. I hope you will be able to solve the questions hereafter. Say fast. Hmm? Say yes or no. Is it a typical question or you can handle this type of questions? This is for related to first we discussed about modulus. So modulus generated one for question is important. Second is greatest integer related question. Third is function generated question. Function with limits. Understood? If you understood this one, we will go for the next question. Our next question was minus 2 to 1 f of x dx and f of x was written as 3 minus 5x when x is less than 0, 4 plus 3x when x is greater than equal to 0. Come on, go for it. So first we will write minus 2 to 0. See, limiting points are different. You make this one equal to 0. You will get the value of x. Minus 2 to 0 and then 0 to 1. Minus 2 to 0. It will become 3 minus 5x dx. Now 0 to 1, 4 plus 3x dx. Got it? Because less than 0 and greater than 0, two interval will be generated. They have given 0 as interval, so no other interval you are going to check. In between, the split will come as minus 2 to 0 and 0 to 1. I hope till here it is clear. At least one question you people solve and give me the answer. This part will total becomes 0 minus 43 by 2. Absolute. Very good, Kishore. This is what bit I was expecting. So 43 by 2, before me you got the answer. Carefully I have saw before that one question I got stuck. So this is one pattern question where typical part we are stucking and we are coming up. Now beta another typical question because till now you have encountered different type of questions. Now we are encountering some typical questions. Okay, so this is another typical question of definite integral. Another typical question I am giving you. Just try this question out. This is our sixth question, which is typical and very important. Log related question. That is minus 2 to 2. Log of any function will be given. How you are going to encounter? That is 4 minus x by 4 plus x dx. Come on, go for it. Try this question because like this question coming means seriously problem will come. Because here one very important thing is beta that if odd function and even function. We know the formula of minus a to a f of x dx is there. It will become 2 0 to a f of x when f of x is even. And it will become 0 when f of x is odd. This is the most important thing. Now you need to prove that it is odd or even. Come on, go for it. Means finally it is coming what? Odd or even. Once odd or even will come, we will be able to find a direct answer. So you need to tell. I give you a very important clue for these type of questions. First, trigger the content. What is more important for you? Okay. Try this one out. Super. Very good. This is what I was wanting. Before solving, we must have a grip in the super visual. Listen. This is that part where we can have that conclusive part. Kishore, I want to see your answers. See, you only do one thing. What you are solving now, step by step. They take a screenshot because other students are doing. They're taking a screenshot and sending me. In between the session, I'm checking their answers. Many students are sending the answer. What you are thinking? What are you thinking? They're writing the steps and sending me. So I'm getting the clarity like how your steps are there. And if any mistake will be there, in between I'll tell that there is mistake. Okay, so here it is 4 minus x by 4 plus x. Now it is f of minus x to the right. So wherever x will be there, it will become 4 minus of minus x. And here it will become 4 minus x. So it will become log 4 plus x by 4 minus x. Understood? So this will be written as log 4 plus x minus log of 4 minus x. You will take minus common. It will become log 4 minus x minus log 4 plus x. So this will become minus log 4 minus x by 4 plus x. This is minus f of x. This is the most crucial step. More than solving now, we need to write like this. Understood, Kishore? Everyone, please understand. This is the most crucial step. Here you need to clarify. You cannot directly say it is odd. You need to don't jump into conclusion. First write down properly and then give a conclusion. So here log this part is coming log 4 plus x by 4 minus x. Here after taking out minus, I snatched out minus to make it equal to f of x. This section came means final conclusion. Therefore f of x is odd function. Then don't directly write answer as 0. You see, you write it as equation 1. Then using 1 as reference minus 2 to 2 log of 4 minus x by 4 plus x dx equal to 0. This is called as presentation. Understood? How we present mathematics also in examination is very, very important. So our presentation has to be very intact, no matter how nicely we are treating. Presentation should be there. Okay. So this is the presentation core part where we are presenting plus minus f of x. Every sections we are presenting beta. And this is for my children who are doing this. Now beta one another question is there. I'm giving you. This is when lower integral, upper integral both are same and then you are solving. This question answer I will not tell you. You have to attempt and solve. Question is, I will not define anything. Like this question, past 3-4 years they are asking. Continuously here and there this type of questions are coming. So you need to be very careful when you are attempting this question, specifically when lower and upper integral values are same. Now today 7 questions we have done and all 7 questions have different formats. Did you notice that? And here it is coming as 1 plus cos 2x. Do it. Try this question now. Come on, you can do it better. Any answer came? First bit of tell, identify, is it going to be the formula what we have studied? Math cost, even function, odd function. Can we put into that format? See, when lower integral, upper integral is same, no? This is one formula. Odd and even function checking is a very common format. Remember my words, it is a very common format. Can I solve? Even, very good. An answer also will come. If it is even, you have notified that it is even. Odd means zero answer will come. Even means there will be an answer. That's it. Now bring the answer. No, wrong. Till now you did correct. First you write this. You need to check your answer. The sure answer is wrong. So now f of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos 2x. So now f of minus x will be equal to 1 plus cos 2x is 1 by 2 cos square x. So 2 cos square minus x. It will give you 1 by 2 cos square x, that is equal to f of x. Therefore, f of x is even function. Understood? Check one more time. F of x is even function. Now, if it is even function means we will do one work. It will become 0 to pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 by 1 by 2 cos square x dx. This and this got cancelled. It is coming 0 to pi by 2. Integral value was what beta pi by 2, pi by 4 or pi by 2? I'll change it because pi by 4 is there. So that's what I thought I would try to do. This pi by 4, it will become secant square x dx. Secant square x will become tan x pi by 2 0. It is 1 minus 0. Answer is 1. Now you see, Kishore, I think that little bit the mistake you have done. Check this one out. Now this is the answer. These are some very, very critical questions and we need to solve it very carefully. I told today I am going to take very important session. See, only one or two students. That mistake came now because here secant square x will come, not x by 2. That's the mistake you have done there. I'm idiot today. Seriously. Why am I keeping your class? Searching questions, doing this, doing that. You people are not interested. Now, beta, another important question. Like this formatted questions, if they will give you, like, check this one out. Bracket is very, very important here, and bracket definitely is going to create things. You need to understand this one. Sine log x plus cos log x dx. This I got, I don't know why, but this I got as an important question. Let's see if we will be able to solve or not. Try this question, beta. Any answer came? Can I solve? I give sufficient time. I don't think people are going to solve. Nothing? Okay, I'm only going to solve. I waited for all of you. That you people will solve, but I don't think you people are going to solve. Let's check this one out. X is not there anywhere. What we are going to do? We will do only one work. We will shift this right side because here log will shift, it will become t. Check differentiation of log x will become what? Differentiation of log x will become 1 by t, correct? Differentiation of log x will become what? 1 by t. So we will do like that only. Log x is equal to t. So here it will become, x will become e to the power t is equal to x. Now you differentiate, it will become e to the power t dt by dx is equal to 1. So e to the power t dt is equal to dx. Here it will become, this part will become t sin t plus cos t. Instead of dx, it will become e to the power t dt. So it will become sin t e to the power t sin t dt plus e to the power t cos t dt. Okay, so now we know what we have to do. We have to start integration of this one will become this. Directly we can solve, but we need to do one word. Sin x will become what? Sin x will become cos x. Come on, tell me what next group we are going to do. ILATE. Exponent is last. So this one will become will be, it will become u. So sin t e to the power t dt minus differentiation of e to the power t dt into integration of sin t dt outside dt. And this part will give as this e to the power t cos t. If you solve it, will become e to the power t sin t minus this one will become sin t part will give you what? Because this is minus cos t integration sin t integration will give you cos t minus. So minus plus minus minus. Question will be mistake or I do question. Question is correct only. Minus and minus will get cancelled. It will become plus. Check this one out because here integration by parts I tried to solve. This part should come e to the power t sin t. Sin t will give integration of sin t will become cos t. Check answer. F dash x is coming as cos t. Pre-board after pre-put on his back. Okay, that's very good. How is your exam, sir? You did good or not? Mr. Don, your paper was okay or not? Because here one person is stuck. If I write here sin to cos, minus is more minus negative. Minus and minus means it should get cancelled. Sin t should come cos t. If it is coming cos t to the power t dt, and this part is minus, and this part is coming as plus, then this two will get cancelled. I need minus here. Understood? My laptop is out, dead, managing with primitive laptop. Don't say anything. Wait, I'll check that. Can I reverse it? What did you say? Why you are saying like that? This is coming as answer. What is your answer? Sin log x dv and dx. You take like that. If you will shift also, beta e to the power t will become what? E to the power t will become x sin log x. Answer will come directly. Nothing is problem here. Only one problem is this is easier to see. It's easier if it is solving this minus part only is a big problem. Minus and plus problem is there. That is the only thing. So e to the power f of x, the formula is coming this e to the power f of x plus e to the power x f dash x is equal to e to the power x f of x plus this is what. So sin x will get converted into cos x. So directly this answer will come. That is e to the power t sin t plus t. And e to the power t is coming as x sin log x plus t. The answer came there. But I tried to open it, and in between, when I tried to open it, see, this is the formula itself, Kishore. That is e to the power x f of x plus e to the power x f dash x dx. If we are doing this, e to the power fx f dash x is coming. That is the nothing. That is correct only from everything. Can you check now? This is the same formula, the same format formula. We know the format. This is the format only. Making this format means it is correct. Only minus created problem for you. Sin x integration is plus integration of sin x. Okay. Kishore, did you understood what I did? From there, one minus of this problem was that I directly wrote like that. F of x plus e to the power of x sin x cos x. Yes. One time more I'll check this question. I'm keeping it till here. Today, more or less 8 questions done. More another questions we are going to do. Let's see. One person report exam. What is the score, sir? Okay, Kishore, we are going to solve weird solve. Like that. One time, Kishore, can you send me the screenshot of that part? I wrote directly. Only one minus is created. Okay, Kishore, let's see. We solve the question assigned. That I also did, Kishore. Minus and plus I cancelled and I took only t. So cos t e to the power t. Check. Same thing I also did, beta. Minus plus, I only went to that side and I tried to integrate sign. Minus was there. So minus into minus I thought it will become plus. That was what I did. Okay. But that your answer is absolutely correct. Different method, yes, absolutely correct. Same answer, different method. Integration part is absolutely correct for you. X you just write in front, Kishore. Your answer is absolutely correct. What answer you sent me, answer is absolutely correct. Only after sin log x you wrote habita. X should be in front. Okay. Try to put x in front, answer get it. Can keeping it till here.